Angisasikhathini mina Ace coach ukuthi emidlalo sibuka impela sonto ukuthi ime njani kepha nje kunyeni kwendekile kodwa imidlalo sibona kuningi le kwendakalako kakhulukazi ibholeni letinyawo emacembu ethu enda kahle kepha nje lokumnanzi ukuthi endlini tithi kusakade asivakasheleke nguTom Silabela semati ke labanyenti abamati babona nje badlali labaproduceile kanti sinenhlanhla ke ekusibe naye namuhla sibe sibuka kabandi icareer yakhe sibuke kahle lihambo lakho usubuya kuphi ukuphi nyalo uya kuphi lemsebenzi futhi lawendile nje wasibona nje iqembu lakhe lesikole lapha nje i-High Academy wenyalo kwatiwa futhi nje nange Setmark sesistoba ngaye ke ukuthi ngiliphi igama qobo nje lekungilo angisasesikhathi ngabukele eku-AC Coach Podcast Show.
Ngibikele ngiyabonga ukungitha lethuba ngi-invite ku podcast yakho.
Yeah, sabona ke ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uyabonakala manje uyakhula etindleni tethu yokuxhumana onke ama social media uyavela kakhulu kepha nje sicale from the start foundation because abantu babona umsebenzi wakho lo wendile ngibadlali ba producer kahle kahle ngibani Tom ubuyapi uvela kuphi?
Yeah, Tom okasilabela wala pepinari eshishila amsokwaba ngasemajela amhlophe. Cala kwami nje kuthanda ibhola bengina 5 6 7 years cala kuthanda ibhola ngidlalela ama team akhona lapha ePinari lamancane. Then from lapho kumbula kusane team bathi Tsakane Aces kwaqhamuka lomunye coach wangibona ngidlala wangithatha wangidlalisa khona kuTsakane Aces under 12. Then ngilanga cala khona kuthanda ibhola khona from lapho Tsakane Aces yaphela yangasabi khona. Then ngabuyela back ePinari ngakhona kudlalela imteam bathi Arsenal sikocha ngilomnye bhuti bathi ngumdava wasifunza so ngifunza khona lapha ePinari kweDanch nesimnema ibuye kunetibonele nisibambisene so ngifunza khona lapho nema players lamaningi kunabo Young Royal so bangani bami labaningi vele bekubangani vele balapha ngifunza nabo so bangirecruiter nabo ngagcina sengidlalela iRoyal lenyana kuyinyamazane Celtics. Then from lapho achubeka nje ibhola ngadlala kwaba neteam bathi iCosmos iCosmos iphethe uJom Gwena lo yaphethe 2 for Joy so angibida wathi ufuna kwenda iteam so sidlala bo regional league and then from lapho ngadlala bangiselecta kwati bangikhumbula kahle last time ngicina kudlala ibhola kahle it was 2004 bangiselectile ngo representa iMasipala eMbombela eSwaziland. Then ngilasa wina khona sabe nema gold medals from lapho nangithi ngiyabuyela ngiyadlala ngatholakala sengithole injury leyangihlalisa vele ebholweni ngasadlala ibhola. Then from there ngahamba ngaye esikoleni Pretoria mangibuye ePretoria ngabiya ngala ngithi ngiyazama ukudlala ngatholakala ukuthi hayi sengiyahluleka ukudlala
injury
ngicabanga injury
then bodlala iphi position bodlala emuva esiswini bogadla unozinti
iposition yami kwi center back ne central midfielder ngiyoma position avele bengikhona kwadlala kahle kakhulu nje
kusho bona ukuthi udlalile naphi because abaningi bocoach abazange badlala ibhola professional njengabo Jose Mourinho so usho bona usinje lento and then sabona ke udlalile waphazamiswa injury manje kufika kanjani ke ukuthi hayi man ngiplawe back to community ngihambe ngiqale kwi-coaching especially ku-development uqale njani ufike njani umcondo lo because uzamile ukuthi ubuye wangakhona ngenxa ye-injury?
Lakimi ibhola vele kuyinto engithandako vele kakhulu nje everyday vele ngicabanga yona nje ibhola so ukuze ngitholakala ngikhona khona nyalo isikhathi yami ngibuye esikoleni ngabuye ngahlala ngidesi kufune ngiphile phela nami sengikhule nami ngikhona ukudakhela ngibe nemndeni so kani ekhaya kune business ema taxi so bengiba busy khona so linye la ngithathe le taxi ngithi hayi man athi ngiyona ronde nje ngizame kwenda imali nami ngikhona kuphila sengiloku naku bafana bangibona bangathi ukuthi vele bengidlala ibhola la ubona lapha bafana bebadlala khona ku East High Saform so bangibona bathi hey Rodman man sicela usithathe uyosibeka siyakudlala kuphi ngithi hayi okay akunankinga ngibathathe ngoba ngithanda ibhola mangifika ngiyababona vele badlala ngibhizi nami sengicala kuba coacha sebahlala vele basebenzisa mina everyday mabaya kudlala so ngilokhu ngiba coacha ngibakhulisa vele sikutholakala sengimveli lapha le coacha ko sengenda everything nje because bo coach bayafika baphindze bahambe so back then I think it was 2008 2009 khona lapho so ngilapha e-East High Academy. So ngila ngitholakala khona sengicoacha ngimanager transport
So ngiwejomo.
yeah, that's why labanye vele bangibita ngajomo vele bathi jomo because ngithola yonke lendzawo.
And then sabona lapha ke eShaya man ukuthi hayi since ufikile italent eselikhulile wonke umuntu sodumo so sikhuluma ngeShaya especially ku development boBabathoni boMatsulu boPinar badlali abaningi baya lapha eShaya after so utholile lithuba ukuthi ube khona lapha ubene badlali ngilele ukuthi hayi man imanagement lapha lesikole ukuthi asale si recruiter bantwana abancane lapha bese sebahlanganisa babalance ne-education because ngiyabuka manje umsebenzi muhle lokhona lapha wonke umuntu ufuna udlala eShaya and futhi bonke abantu bafuna talent baya lapha eShaya.
Okay, lento so like njengoba ngifike lapha ku-East High bengibona mphathi wayo Mr Nkuna ukuthi ibhola uyayithanda and uyafisa ukuthi abone bafana baphumelela. So uma ngibona yena lento ayicabanga ngathi hayi musinami lento le into le good because nami ngifisa ukuthi ingathi icalela abafana bami like boPinari yabona nje ukuthi kunjani ma ground kude kuneshare ama ground uniform ma team bantfana abaningi kune badlala ibhola. So mangifika la kuye kwathola lento yabese seyibalula la kimi because ngiyakhona kubona le talent ngilanze ngifake ku esikoleni ngifunze ngidlale ibhola. So bengifisile nami ukuthi ngaba nayami iacademy ngami ngokuthi ilandzele abafana bami ngibafunako just need ukuthi vele asikhoni kwenda tinto akunama sponsors everything team yahlupha nje ngiyabona nje nasemakhaya bocoach bahlupheka kakhulu abana ama sponsors kufuna ithenga ibhola kune transport ya trainings ebafana ba travelise uthola ukuthi coach akasebenzi. So mina ngibe nenhlanhla ngathola ukuthi khona umuntu lokhona kungibooster kungipusha ukuthi ngikhone kwenda lento leyo.
Then sakubona uyaqala ke umsebenzi wakho uyabonakala badlali baproduceka lapha in development and futhi kumnanzi ngeShaya kusaba focused kubafana kuphela kuna board girls and futhi nebafana and futhi sabona ma division amaningi onke enda kahle bafana namantombazane I'm sorry bafana namantombazane bonke baphumelela sabona badlala ama competition nasuka eMpumalanga ma province nenda kahle konke yini le kwenta usini be consistency both side ngalana ama competition amakhulu boKhemutsipe boDanone solo nenda kahle ngikuphi mhlambe lokwendako indlela kwenda ngakhona nyalo because I balance everywhere ema girls bafana nabona even natuke Forex Academy.
Yeah, into lesenda kwe balance okay ngicale la into lekenda uthi into yakho ihambe right ku academy if ungathola isikolo then ukhone kwathi ukuthi unesikolo uma uthola umfana webhola isayiro suke eNkomazi or Bushbuck Ridge or njani ulaba yakhona uyakhona ukuthi umlethe umfake esikoleni accommodate. So leti netinto ekubona ti iphazamisa ama academy ngabi lamanye ngabi successful ngilendo le njalo ukuthi okay ma player ufuna adlale akhona la vele akafuni iplayer lasekudzeni alithatha tolibeka kana accommodation akana sikolo. So akufani nakucala ukuthi ngibekise njengami ngikhulele ePinari I know ukuthi uma ngise ePinari ngifunza eMayibuye ngiyathi eMayibuye kune team ma player onke eRoyal afunza eMayibuye ungaya eMandlisivu uthola ama player ani eCeltics ungaya eBunhlahla utofika uthola ama player khona i-team lebe yakadantshi iArsenal uye EJ uthola ukuthi kunema player eBlackburn. So ibhola lapho beyiba competitive iba mnanzi si enjoy. So but now ibhola la etikolweni uthola ukuthi maybe kuna former player dlala team le1 sekufanele balandzele nali bese abasakhona babe motivated nje noma baya kudlala uthola ukuthi mabafika ngala kithi sifike sidlale nabo sina basithola vele serious sithola ukuthi aswina abo 6 7 8 sebacobeka nje. So lenye into ngileyo nje lengamkhona motivate nje bafana ukuthi babuye bathanda ibhola.
Then manje wenda njani ukuthi ukhone ekubona mani talent endlela wena ngakhona endlela badlali bakhona wonke umuntu udlala eShaya uba good uba powerful and futhi imidlali bangathi ubuya eShaya wonke vele umuntu wonke ma player noma nje ma teams bamfuna bayathi uSayilona kwathi ngibabona njani ba recognize njani uma mhlambe for the first time game abangena beta bafuna bayiphathe esikole ngophi ma qualities enobukako before ba admit.
Okay, mina njengami njengoba ngisho ukuthi bangibita vele ngajomo ne ngihamba kakhulu ngisebenzisa itaxi ngiyabekisa ngiyahamba nje maybe ngiya eNkomazi maybe ithola ukuthi ngipheleketela abantu somewhere mangifika ngiyapaka le moto ngihambe ngishone ema groundini ngifike groundini ngihlale ngibukele ngicommunicate nabo coach thathe ama contact nanani se coach la ku so and so and so umode 1 2 3 my friend cela ukuthi ungilethele bona sibuye sizoba assessa nje tonke letindzawo so ngiba nalama communication so coach uma kabona mfana wakhe athi nami ngidevelopmile mfana wami soye ku East High sebatshena labanye wende njani bathola ama contact bangifonela so nyalo bangifonela everywhere Jozi yonke lendzawo bafuna to join East High Academy so bayathi ukuthi mabafike ba join East High bayofika bathola isikole because vele icala esikolweni then asika focus into kebhola kuphela sicala ngesikole from under 9 to under 19 so lapho vele age group yakhona lefuna ukuthi ibe esikolweni ifunze ibe idlala ibhola focus ngokwethu because ekugcineni ungadlala ibhola is a short career
so ubambisana nabo bani lapha because angeke ukhona beweda from under 9 ma girls until under 19 and phindze njalo futhi nemali kuhlukahlukene bobani bambisana nabo losesana nabo ukuthi build nakhala abafana
yeah ngafuna ngasho nje ukuthi into lengafuna kuyibonga le support lengithola kuye Mr Nkuna mphathi vele we-academy isikolo so if ngibekisa something ngimtshela ngithi hayi man let's do this uyangisupport into le ngiyenda so bakhona bonke bocoach la kulama development sinabo lesibacashile ukuthi ina develop so nawo coach nabo baphindze nabo babe nalabo bocoach mabona player bal identify special assets ithi leli siyalithatha silifaka esikolweni sicommunicate nema parents siphindze futhi natuma parent sicela wona lawo ma donations ma contributions because umntwana usomthatha simfake esikoleni kufune adlala ibhola kufuna transporteka asinama sponsor so sometimes siba nema challenges when it comes to into letinjalo siphinde sicela la parents so per month at least you can contribute us with this and this and then isikhona kwenda into letinjalo so wonke lama development nabo coach girls boys and girls wonke khona netball isinayo basketball isinayo East High Academy basketball wonke lama sports lawo
nitudumeka kakhulu isoccer and then when ngwe overseer for bonke labo coach bonke ba reporter kuwe
yeah but it's a teamwork vele kahle so nama ngifuni ukuthi uma babona mina into basabe ngiyabaniketa nayo freedom ukuthi coach la sisebenza sonke asebenzeni sonke because the only thing lebalekile ngileko kunabafana nale brand lesinayo lolotele kona la udelele East High Academy let's promote igama lethu ne St Mark's so asebenzeni together if ubona something suggest sisho ukuthi siyakhona kuyenda because angeke ngikhona kuyenda ngiyi1
and then lokunye lokhona duke ama coach bavamile kubona ukuthi hayi man ngiyakhula man lento engiyayenda practical asengihambe ngiyoti empower bese ngiba nema badge tonginda ukuthi umsebenzi wami ungabonakala kuphela ukuthi ngiyacoach but angisitakala nesemaphepheni bese nebodini nabo siphize futhi inyelo sabona yangeteka even nabo coach abasetulu ufuna bambe bathole ma requirement lathita usakhona ukucoacha somewhere ngibonile even khona isizini lenye eThinhla zanga ucoacha eCaptain City enqa usibekede i-license yabo bekede UEFA license njalo so wena so far unabo ama qualifications as a coach because baningi mhlambe labakwatiko already ukuthi hayi manje someone lo so lapha eShaya and then mhlambe singakhona ukuthi simsebenzise because unalo leliso especially ma teams 8 leMpumalanga sabona ukuthi hayi bayakhona ukubona ukuthi kune talent lapha iTS Galaxy Kruger iThe Bees bangakhona ukuthi bakusitakale nabo sigcineni baphize bathatha wena uSimons ngcono uthatha wena but batofuna ukuthi unani lo nako esandleni physical sabona i-theory yakwenda I mean practical nayo but i-theory ke unandi ma coaches lo nawo ma certificate uhambe wafika kuphi because naloko nyalo bakubuka kakhulu
yeah angibuye lapho okay le question leyo everyone uhlala ngibuta yona ne ma qualification mina ngide for i-coaching onanjani but into lenyadiwe ibhola ke ngiyayadi ngisebenzisa le ngcondo yami le nginayo kulabo coach labanye ngibalandzako like ngisho nje ukuthi okay si East High Academy si development siya developer from yonke indzawo kutuke sports even ima coaches angibekise coach lesinayo nomunye usetulu McDonald's nayo qhamuka from East High Academy
makhubethu
qhamuka khona from East High Academy na Abraham coach Kruger naye waba khona East High Academy Sibusiso Chilwane naye from East High Academy Mkasi lomunye naye from East High Academy solo siya developer labantu abo ngisebenze nabo bonke lawo bayangathi ngisebenza njani so ma qualification mina anginawo but siyakhona kuhlala sonke sibonisane sikhona ukukhulisa abafana because I know ukuthi umfana ufuna khulu njani ibhola ngidlalile since ngimncane ngiyazi ukuthi umfana uthinga inani le mina bengide yona eground so ngiyalo ngizama ukuthi okay ngiphushe lento ukuthi naye asiyende mfana uma aseground nakhula udzinga this because everyone buta vele ngema about qualification yeah.
So but wena kuwe akufika ukuthi man because umuntu angibuta ngalento ene yabo into ngisita because mhlambe nawe ngeke wathi bo Test Galaxy even bo Kaizer Chiefs but wathi man usayibumelanga kunemuntu lo so yabo mhlambe kutokusita lokho because bakufuna kube khona so far after abantu labaningi bakubutile babona usayi umsebenzi omuhle kusengafika usayi man asingizame maybe ngicele Mr Ngona mphakathi we East High ukuthi man ngiside ngikhona ukuhamba ngithola certificate nami ngikhona ukuthi ngikhule ngihambe ngiba neba coach labasedulu nami attend nabo ebopitso nalabanye
yeah njengoba uyichaza vele leyichaza khona ukuthi kuyatsingakala vele into enjalo so nami vele bese ngilapho ukulendele from last year ukuthi okay man le nomusi ikhona the only thing lengishoda ngayo just need my qualification this so and la wenda lama qualification shothi nami ukuthi phi kancane bekufuna ngabe lento ngiyinde ekutsala ngayibamba ngabe nayo so nanyalo ngiyawathola ama calls ama qualifications uphetheni angikhona ukusho nje ngiba down wena uma ngibuta nje ngama qualification kulento le ngiyendako so uma ude ama qualification mara wenda into leso yabona ukuthi solo ubiyele emuva solo ustick enzawo
then sabona ukuthi already sotendele ligama la eShai kuwe personal office mhlambe Suleiman uphuma sala uthi challenge yabo sibone mhlambe uya kubo TTC because na development specialist masisina two macembe Kruger ne Test Galaxy already bayakwazi ukuthi uproduce ama player mhlambe sigcina sibona project TTC or sikubona kwe CP Foundation Championship asim ambitions akho outboard mhlambe uphuma uthi challenge your coach maybe mhlambe ma elite clubs usukela kule development
yeah ngiyakubona lo shokona but mina ngade we ibhola especially eMpumalanga ngine experience ngayo ngakhona duke ama teams etendakalawo because ma team on and off namdla uthi focusela kule team uthathe yonke into yakho ufuna uyifaka la fast team sebayithengisa nyalo kwendeka this and then uzoqala phansi ufuna uphinde uqale phansi so lento lengiyendako mina ngiyenda ukuthi vele ngithando not ukuthi ngifuna imali or njani just net for the love of football thanzile i-development ngithanda vele ukubukela kuhambe ngobukela abantwana ngithanda vele abantwana abancane so if into ophinze ngimuva ngala nosolo ngiva buhlungu ngala ndazi ukuthi ngofika kanjani lo mfana lo mncane lona 7 years 8 years ngimbona anel talent ndokhona kumthatha kanjani ngimkhulise ukuthi aze ayofika ayodlala professional so the only thing mina ngijabulisa empilweni yami ukubona ukuthi ngilanze mfana ngamkhulisa wadlala ibhola so une teams loku professional.
Then siphume kancane ke kube sibile esikoleni ishayi nje bosho in busy duke onke ama sport kakhulukazi wenyalo sifocusele duke soccer sabona win league last year nabuye ne trophy nilcheke na trainers bonel futhi even ne Forex academy le league yamanda 17 nakhona niwinile mhlambe njengebabukeni labanye bafuna kwathi about ma achievement ngaba achievement leni sengatholile le development yeni board bafana nabantu since iqalile ishayi because ngisho kuningi leni achieve
kuningi kakhulu but highlights nje lengasho ukuthi maybe lokukhulu introduce kwe Forex nami kungende ngaba motivated kakhulu because asinayo this thing ye league development la eMpumalanga so kuvela kwe Forex kusi-assiste kakhulu nje nawuthi uyachecka labafana labahamba ngonyaka bonke badlale i-league Forex is-assiste kakhulu nje i-Forex nje nanyalo nje siyayikhumbula ukuthi ifuna iphinde ibuye icala yasimotivate kakhulu ukuyiwina siwine le Forex nokuthi sihambe sowina i-National K Motsipe because age project vele
nabena 3 million
3 million to okay
wangeta lenye tax bakunika something
ngoba i-K Motsipe nje ngibekise nje last year siwine i-provincial champions it was 150,000 to ama girls it's 100,000 which means it's 250 siye ku-national vele already spent 250,000 then sawina 3 million for my boys and then basishaya kuma-finals for ma-under 13 girls sathola 400,000 it was 3.650 million lesiwinile last year so it's biggest achievement nje lesiyitholile nje so far lebesicala vele setulu kakhulu sukela i-Eastside Academy yabakhona ake abakhona ama-tournaments awina nebhasi 65 seater so but this thing vele i-project vele besolo siyicala even nanyalo sifocus ukuthi sifuna ukuyi-defend ngalabafana labakhona
Wow, umsebenzi omuhle lo. And then nje kancane nje imali nitholile banizama ke ukuthi banimotivate ngoba eyinesebenza manje. Kubulana na leste mamboshi imbuta naye wasabakhuluma.
Yeah, le nto phela ngithi vele setingale ema-office, so uma siyenda in the office ngale kuba nemithetho wakhona ukuthi okay ugcina lana cause inoma uyicala vele uyicala ekucaleni wadi ukuthi ekugcineni if kwendeka so uyadi ukuthi kwendeka so, if uwina lento kwendeka so and so, cause even nayo nale mali ayisimali ukuthi bakuniketa in cash, it's funeka kube kwendi infrastructure esikolweni like iqhamuke maybe thole i-provider ifike into something bese ibona bayibhadala bakuniketa wena in cash.
So it means kahle wena vele ngamagama awufuni ukuphuma ku-Isai, awufuni ukuthi challenge yo coach ama team laseTulu, une passion vele ye youth ye development.
Not ukuthi angifuni ukuphuma but ma offer nyalo akhona vele because yabona ama team apromotiwe khona GS Galaxy, even nje Mr Sukazi nje nayo the same thing la ngikuta yona, okay what can you do, ufuna kwenda ini, so ngambekela naye the same thing what ngiyabona nami the way lento uyena khona, so if to into resource and this thing usakhona kuyena, so but nawe hlala phansi ucabange kahle ubuye umtshele ukuthi ucabanga this naye neKruger United naye khona ifikile ithelekile naye ihlasela ngifuna wona lama player ngala GS Galaxy sengisemkhathini zathi uthi ufuna ngichoose but ngimile, but I'm happy ukuthi sesinawo ama team la i2 PSL bafana banawo ama opportunities ngalamaningi, so i-platform nala kithi ikhona fana mafuna ukuthi masimbona right uyadi ukuthi mangidlala la to perform ngaya lapha nalapha.
And then sabona ke last year iqembu lakho li produce Siphamandla wenda Mlando wangena igame yokuqala against Sundowns, not any team, Sundowns le game leyo washal goal bawina nga 2-0 waphinza futhi wakora again after lapho sabona abuya futhi imphathi team Sukazi atosanela bayibadlali even a goalkeeper ukhona ukuthi Galaxy ubuya khona la teamini. And then kusho kwabanjani mhlambe etu kweqembu lakho nebaphasi neba also futhi nebadlali abanye benu labakhona mababona Siphamandla ambo awushal goal badlala neSundowns abuya kini kwathi nje kuwe ne management yonke nebadlali abanye labakhona?
This thing ngathi it's a motivation kuwo wonke labantu labakhona kule setup lesinayo kule project lesinayo ukuthi because lento lesi ikhombisa ukuthi lento lesi indawo ikhona inayo ke example yaSiphamandla from dust to straight to PSL first game ushaya goal enhle, even Mr Sukazi was the time ayodlala wangifonela on Wednesday wathi Tom cela ungenzele amaphepha aSiphamandla iclearance because on Saturday uyacala, nami ngaba surprise ngathi jo because vele wangitshela net maqedza kumthatha wathi this player is good man, uya ku first team not DDC, ngathi hayi co wathi ngiyakutshela utombona first team, ngaba shock nami mangifonela Wednesday ngathi yo from regional league to PSL straight kuthi team lengakwenda lokho, wabe wangitshela na after game wangifonela wathi ngiphi i-team lengenda this team lengendini it's a risky ngeke uyithole even ABC even NFD ukuthi athathe mfana somgcalisa against Mamelodi Sundowns.
And then
so this thing the motivator bona abafana nabo bazange bathemba, so bayibona this thing ukuthi no it's not ukuthi ufuna udlale i regional league udlale ABC udlale NFD ungasuka lapha uyodlala leTulu, so
ngidla kunale talent
saying as long unale talent.
And then ngaphandle kwaSiphamandla because kube sewaqama yena bobani badlali mhlambe labanye lebasuka kuwe lebasuka ku-Isai lebasemaqenjini aseTulu awutiwayo nyana
badlali baningi
kakhulu
ngabekisa ukuthi uma uya kuKruger ukhona Thwala no
Ozili
ngosinathwala Ozili, and then uya kuMagezi kuna Gravel sengikhohla lamagama akhe ngabala labanye bakuphi nje too many, Tendlovu uSikhukhune labanye nje badropile badlala bo NFD labanye bo ABC baningi abadlali man so far nje mawufika checka nje yonke iABC yala Mpumalanga cishe onke siyadominate nje ngebadlala abaningi baqhamuka khona lapha nje. nakude busy bakhona boMaldini basuka khona lapha kimi esikoleni baningi kakhulu nje abadlali.
And then recently sibonile ke badlali bakho labanye nyalo maduzana macasa kubasayina ngithimsukazi futhi again bomjeba ubuthini ubudlelwane bakho nyalo ne TS Galaxy because sabona utaka kakhulu sibonile na last year asana even nemidlalo assistant coach wavelile ubudlelwane benu ne TS Galaxy binjani because sabona semningi thimsukazi umdlalweni beni na thimsukazi ne TS Galaxy kumenjani especially kuthola ama player because iyawanika opportunity uyabuya futhi again yobalanza.
Yeah, into nje lingijabulisile nje kuvela kwe-TS Galaxy ngicale kuhlangana na Mr Tim Sukasi ungifundise into letiningi nje lebe ngingadadi letiningi kule development kuma players kuthi okay ma player wathola njani wena njani so ngifundisile lokuningi nje ngathatha lokuningi lapha so i relationship yethu ihle kakhulu even na today nje ngathatha phone call yami ayibamba ngathola imiss call ubuya ngiback Tom what is khona lokukhona yini ngisho ukuthi 1 2 3 1 2 3 okay uma nginemfana cela lethe lo mfana babuye bam-assess basethi angifuna lo vele ngiyamthatha uyasayina vele so ubudlelwane cishe ngibo nje good nje relationship kakhulu nje that's why vele angifuna vele ukuthi kufanele ngibe duzane naye vele.
And then ngaphandle we-teams we-TS Galaxy sabona sobalile kusine crew kana seyifikile sengenile ifuna abadlali especially nayo into beyodlala ku-Premier League itofuna vele ibene abadlali ba-DTC nimenjani lapho ubudlelwane benu ne-crew kabo sekhona mhlambe abadlali already bahambisile kumbe mhlambe badohamba sibabona amaduzane basuka la eSayi baya ku-Crew United.
Yeah, nakhona iCruger nje njengoba seyifikile cishe nemphathi wabo vele ngicishe besolo sikhuluma nje since ba campaign ukuthi ish man sabona into lendako ihle kakhulu okay how come thathe player so and so kube thina sikhona la ngithi I know phela ngithi kufuneka nathi nisinike le chance nisibude something sinilethele khona check and check khona because angeke mina ngikodle ama player development vele funa ama player vele ma develop nami ngiyajabula le player matofika lisayine ku professional team so babuyile nabo bangifonela samitha okay bafika babona ngaba invite abeta batobuyela so ngathi bebacalile especially DDC yabo for Mataris bafika babuyela bafana bathi hayi man thina sifuna le team njengoba iso for iDDC because vele babhizi nyalo ngeDDC so sifuna le team so ngathi hayi team ikhona so just nedikwanyalo kufuna nje kuhlala phasi kulungise ipaperwork everything sibe nethumelana nathi sifake kwethu lesifuna ukuthi basendele kona nabo labafuna kona sibone sibe nethumelana.
Then before ngudedela sebona ne-debis ikhona yona ke seyifikile nayo ukuthi intsinze nayo for badlali.
Yeah, i-debis ayisengafiki formal but bo coach ngiyakhuluma nabo ngibekise njengayo coach wabo umntwana wakhe ukhona lapha.
Yeah, velile
coach lapha siya communicate nabo nje kahle. Any team lefunako akunankinga ngithola emoyeni ibuye sikhulume sibonisane mayibona le player ishi sibone le player because enye into leshaya ukuthi ama player amayafunza so if ngilanza lo mfana ngimlanza ngibekise njengaye sijepa ngimlanza kuPepinari uma ukuthi ngimise esikoleni uyofunza ufune afunza azacethe lesikolo lapho vele ngiba strictly kakhulu ukuthi ungafika umthathu uthatha ka grade 10 or grade 11 uthi umisa kuphi sodlala ibhola what about isikolo because into le khona futhi ebholeni ma managers lama acabangela wona akacabangile umfana ukuthi sasa likusasa lakhe lophelela kuphi la kule bhola or after soccer kufanele kwendekeni at least ufundzile ukhonile kuba na matric and then after that ikima asana problem ngasamba ukuthi ibonela uyiphambili bo Dendlovu nabo bafikile bayafika bachayisela bo matric bathambela bathwela ama professional contract sebakhona ukuthi nanga sekukubo ya ukuthi yena wendani but mina lo ngimlandzele kona to ama parent abo lezivumene ngawo ngikhonela kokwenda so that is why sometimes lama ama parent angifonela afuna kulethela abantwana sihlanganise isikolo nebhola because ku difficult bafana bebhola abafuni ukufunza nangaze afike lapha sofuna concentrate kubhola safuna ukufunza hlala silwa nje vele ngenzaba yokufunza ngibafana.
Yeah, Mr Thoman ngiyabona umsebenzi wakho omuhle lokwendawo manje ngithi hayi man sikulanze sik-invite sikubonge sik-appreciate because kumele memo previous ba-appreciate talent lakhona labanalo nathi labomalanga ngithi asingende njalo ngibone sikuhle namhla sik-invite ngithanza kubonga ukuthi ude ku-Ace the Coach Podcast Show sikumimile utokhona ukuthi uvete talent lakho umsebenzi wakho lo nawo abantu bakhona ukubona ukuthi hayi wena lokunhle kuyisayi engifisela ukuthi ungaqhubeka wena njalo wena emsebenzi omuhle lokuqhubeka njalo ubehambule utimisele uproduce abadlali asembe ukuthi mhlawumbe sakubona ugcina nawe bakusebenzisa nje basibona nanyalo ubala usithi Msukazi uyakufuna nemanye amaqembu asembe ukuthi iqhubeka kanjalo maybe mhlawumbe emavu akho okugcina ukukhosata abadlali labanye nabaye bacoaches before mhlawumbe ngutetela.
Yeah, into nje lengayisho nje especially bo coach ababeketele ngasathi lesimo ukuthi sinjani emakhaya ukuthi ulandze umntwana uhambe uyomtrainisa ngala ona income ufuna ukhiphele nayo imali yakho gcina nasendlini ungasakhona wenda into because oluzama ukuthi uthanza lento ufuna ukuphusha abafana ukuthi babona abaphakeme ukuthi inga give up asipushe guys labakhona labanye bangifonela sibonisane ngiba-advise khona ukuthi okay maybe bangenda this and this and this maba nema-challenges basho nami ngakhona ku-assista khona noma ngide lelo phepha but ngaba-assista nje la kumele ngi-assiste khona lo nto ngikufakile okuncane yabe ngikufakile konke nje ma-girls nawo mambona nje intombatane nje lekhona kudlala kahle ibhola ngitshele intombatane ngibuye ngibide ngibuye ngi-assess uma i-right sayithatha siyifaka esikoleni iyadlala especially nje bona bane-plan yabo vele ukuthi from under 13 badlala eKMotsipe kune-regional league saso league because sikhampenela for ukudlala i-Hollywood next season nje sibhizi kakhulu nje vele especially lama-girls.
And then utholakala kuphi kuma-social media platforms abantu khona ukuthi bakuthinze khona bakufollowishe?
Ya mina ngitholakala khona kakhulu nje ku-Facebook ngithola Tom Silabela and then ngangibamba WhatsApp 072 71 44 669 la ngithola khona WhatsApp vele ngibhizi kakhulu lapho WhatsApp or ungifone
Facebook, TikTok nabo-X
sengafiki lapho ngisazama kulungisa into letinjalo.
Senza bonga kakhulu umsebenzi wakho omuhle ngithemba ke ngizote ukuphinza ngulanze linye ilanga ukuthi nebadlali bakho labanye boSjepa nalabanye sibonga kakhulu echubeka njalo bende kahle emsebenzi lo ndako uproduce abadlali abancane ngoba kakho isikhathi sakho.
Nami ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu le postcard yakho noma nje ngibambe emoyeni ngithola amafunyazi then bafana bakhona tshela nje kusana isikhathi ngilethele bafana ngiyabonga nje nginetha lethuba.
Ngibonga kakhulu nami.
Thank you.
Ishow yethu ihamba iphela la nguyeke besinaye namuhla Tom Silabela lo phinza futhi unomsebenzi omuhle producer abadlali abaningi lapha eShai both females and males. Umsebenzi wakhe sabona ke nje basibonile siphamandla wende emlando wafika ecenjini iTes Galaxy washaya 2 goals yakhe in Sundowns ku-Nedbank Cup baze badliwa lapha ku-final kusho konke nje wenda kahle kakhulu kusho konke banikwe badlali lesibabona bachubeka nje abalile enabakhulu connected bafikile bafuna abadlali Ace the Coach ku-Ace the Coach podcast show besinaye Tom Silabela ubuya lapha nje kuyo i-Shai Academy lephinza tiyo ukuthi nje iSt Mark besibuka ukuthi kuhamba njani kude lapha nje etemidlalo sisathe ke sibeke khona la.